What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beer Band was on the set for the Cherry Amore. On Instagram post, Recess Beer Band posted on Instagram their cute photos and a short video clip of her brothers on screen. Recess Beer Band captioned it, "My brothers was so talented." As you can see, they're on singing, dancing, while having a break time to have some relax before they're ready to start on taping. Yesterday, on a Dex activity, Nadeko Gimiya was on his event for the 7 Up, endorsing the new freshness of the soda. Nadek dedicated a song for everyone on the stage, especially to the people who always there for him and supported him. Mami Makeo can't help it, but was so happy on behind the scene when Nadek and Mommy was on their way to the event. No wonder Mommy Makeo was so proud of him.